Karbi Monsam Lamdon Kachetok Angdengpi Kithomra Tokbora Chok Pachun Ponsi Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council atum Semi Kidengamay Kapachun Pon Ahoklo Karbi Akhayatum Isivera Khay Pusitami Karbi ang Long Lapendi Mahasao Penang Tanalong District Narkevalong Kidwa Karbi atum Pini Arni Anta ST Hills Pleng Limpen Achakong Long Lela Anparta Kaching Thurdunji Aphanpura Thoyalong Kidwa Karbi atum aphan Panong Lorpen Thangna Riverside Store Karpen Kipipon Avila Lasikidam Tang Surihini Ra Inkora Isianingkan Song Chok Risim Kang Tangki Ora Songatum Karbi Monsam Lamdon Kachetok Ponahut Thoyalong Kidu a Karbi Atumapan Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council Pinang Jipura Clause number 3.6 along Lamdon Chetok Pondo Lasila So Lamdon Kachetok Atengpen Karbi ang Long Lapen di Mahasao Pen ang Tan Kidu Diswanat Kamrup Morigao Hojai Nagaon Lakhimpur Kachar Lapen Golaghat District along Kidu a Karbi Atumapan Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council Tipondo Lasi patumiwo siga Cikloni Paikrenar Kep Arni, Government of Tribal Affairs, Asamatum Chepatirpi Ponsi, Guwahati Arong Supi, Srimanta Shankardeep, Kalashitra, along Bang Inkora Chokabang po tumapan Minister, Dr. Ranoj Peguahin Pensi, Simi Padengpon. Simi Kidengpon Bang Pubang Pia Tumamen Laki, Dr. Sarsing Ingti, Dipen Ronghang, Dhiren Ingti, Ranjit Rahang, Mon Singkro, Ranjit Bongjang, Rajiv Miki Roson, Prabin Ronghang, Prangdak Ronghang, Bali Rongphar, Binong Kiri Ingti, Ama Ronghang, Sanjoy Rongpi, Krishna Tera, Nandita Ronghangpi, Babita Teronpi, Niroda Katharpi, Mangal Be, Rajiv Pator, Tiken Bangthai, Lalit Kumar Timu, Maheshwar Kathar, Subharam Ronghang, Lapen, Nominated Pangithoma Tumamen Laki Puhenlo, Nidul Padgiri, Kamal Sen Lapen, Mina Terang Piatum Henlo. Labang so se mekideng amay long Karbi Lameramay, Tiripia Mayamay Pu, Horsing Ingti, Kongchun Bang Onteron Lapen, Karbi Cultural Society, Tiripia Mayamay Pu, Hum Singbi, Lapen Kongchun Bang, Sunil Tokbi Anparta, All Assam Karbi Youth and Students Union, Tiripia Mayamay Pu. Chandra Singh Rongpi Lapen Kongchun Bang Ananta Miligatum Anparta Ki Ongdung Hampanga Songatum Chetong Dunsi RD Pidun
Yeah, we are very happy because today we feel it is a historic day for our Karbi people who are living here in Plains district. The government of India and government of Assam has created this Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council, and we are thankful to Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India.
सबसे पहले आपका नाम बताइए और आपका डेजिग्नेशन.
My name is Dr. Sarsing Ingti. I am the chief of this executive member of this council. Thank you.
Sir,
thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma that in 2021 a peace accord with Karbi militant organization was signed, and wherein it was provision that Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council will be set up for the people living outside the 6 scheduled Karbi Anglong district, mostly in the plains areas of Assam. So today we have completed the commitment by this oath-taking ceremony of the newly constituted interim body of Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council as per an act of the Assam Legislative Assembly. So my best wishes to the Karbi people and also to the new interim body, and the process of holding general election of the democratic election of the council has also will be started very soon, and this council will be able to serve the Karbi people along with other people in the plains areas outside 6 scheduled areas of Assam. That is my expectation.
Jawan team will also come to Assam.
Pardon?
Japan PM.
A high dignitary is coming, that much I know. And I know nothing about who that high dignitary is.
What about annual budget, sir?
Once the budget is passed, everyone will come to know. We cannot leak that in advance. Okay.
Thank you. Ningkan suri inquiry isi lasan ningkan Bharat Sarkar Home Sarkar lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tum hakhin ang dodun si nitum Delhi rong supielong si lamdon chitoi halasa lamdon long kachikroy ateng 3.6 close number halasa ateng si pini nitum han la semi gedeng la so ajai mek deng lo la si nili pini abar sailong si Home Sarkar kadu gabe Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pencenglok lapen ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kachari bang Dr. Tuliram Longhang CM sar langli phanta churu parpit lo nelia so pini la sona bar sai ni tu kelong po
Sir, election की बात लो सर मेरे नाम को पता
ni non ni tum la interim body ni tum han interim han sinon la la so abang na pi la so semi bang na pi la si election amo minister akhe hoita ni je lo prabjin pen election ni tum duji
Seat ko na lang.
ini tum kadu gabe bilateng blote kadu we ni tum inquiry ke thom la pen nominated bang thom kadu we bang koi ra thom
Sir, so election mo.
la bang ge mo election na por hosi chini konon magene le la son kaninge ning hang he de